In this video, we are going to see basic structure of SQL queries. I, Professor Deepak Kosti, welcome you for this lecture. Now, whenever we are going to write any query using SQL or SQL, we must have some structure that we are going to write in this way. The basic structure of SQL expression consists of three different clauses. The clauses are select, from, and where. The select call corresponds to the projection operation of relational algebra. This is used just to list the attributes desired in the result of a query. So whatever we want from a table that can be given by the select clause. Now the from clause corresponds to the Cartesian product operation of the relational algebra. It lists the relations to be scanned in the evaluation of the expression. That means, in short, after from, whatever we are writing, that must be the name of the table, and from that table or these tables we are going to get the data which is given by the select clause. Next is where. Where corresponds to the selection predicate. Predicate means some condition or some prerequisite of that particular result. We can say that some condition of that particular result of the relational algebra. It consists of predicate involving attributes of the relations that appear in the from clause. Now let us see these. Now this is the example of select clause. Now find the names of all the branches in the loan relation. So in short, this query is written as select branch name from loan. So the result in this relation consisting of a single attribute with heading branch name. Here you can see that from the query language we are based on the mathematical notation of the relation being a set. Thus duplicate tuples never appear in the relations. In practice, duplicate eliminating is time consuming. Therefore, SQL, like most other commercial query languages, allows duplicates in the relation as well as in the results of SQL expression. Thus, the preceding query will list each branch name once for every tuple in which it appears in the loan relation. So this is how the select clause is written. Here from is also used. So select the attribute from the table. So this is how the query is written. This is the simple form of the query. Next is, let us see the where example. In this example, we want to find out all loan numbers from the loan made at Perry Ridge branch with loan amounts greater than $1,200. This query can be written in SQL as select loan number from loan table from loan, where branch name, so this is called as predicate, and amount greater than $1,200. So this is what where after that whatever is written is called as predicate. So predicate 1, predicate 2, both are combined using AND. So this is how where clause is written in SQL. I hope you understood this. Coming to the end of the video, thus we have seen basic structure of SQL queries. In short, we have seen select, from, and where clause. Slide credit goes to the authors of Database System Concepts, 4th edition. Happy learning. Thank you.